Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and on onespotmedia.com.
We begin this evening with a Primetime News follow-up. 2 days after the Jamaica Environment Trust, JET, called for the prosecution of the entity responsible for the oil spill in the Rio Cobre in St. Catherine, the National Environment and Planning Agency, NEPA, has moved to act.
NEPA says legal action will be taken against Trade Winds Citrus Limited. Ramado Lyons has been tracking this story and now reports.
We don't see no future.
Instead, he sees contamination. This oil traces back to Trade Winds Citrus Limited in Bogwalk, St. Catherine. And the National Environment and Planning Agency, NEPA, warns there will be legal action. In a release, almost a week later, NEPA confirmed a TVJ news report that Trade Winds is responsible for the recent oil spill in the Rio Cobre. The agency says it's due to a malfunctioning boiler from the old Jamaica beverage plant, now owned and operated by the company. NEPA says enforcement notice has been served on the company to clean up and stop any harm to the environment. NEPA adds further enforcement to include legal action will follow. The environmental agency says a good portion of the oil was removed from the environment while some has been contained in drains. Still, there's some amount of oil visible on the water's surface.
6 days worth of oil, and based on observations, it has now spread into the Spanish Town area. Now, fisherfolk, of course, are livid as to what this could mean for the fish population, but residents are also outraged by the lack of swift action.
We need some assistance stronger from the government towards our situation. Because things always happen like this. At the end of the day, we not get no help. And this thing I get from bad to worse. And a 1 faction or 2 faction or 3 faction are still illegal in the Rio Cobre. So we just need them pay more attention to it and draw up a stiffer penalty.
I have my license because I love the fishing. But there is nothing going on for us now. What am I going to take to pay the license if there's nothing in the river? And every time it make a turn, something go wrong. It goes down. I'm more high today again. See, me just go look bait for bait me fish pot. But me can't set it. Because no fish now go in there. Me can't show me line. Me have me line down a yard and everything. Ready up, say, would I run off it to them, you go see if I get anything. Nothing now go on. It works every day.
Anthony Stewart has been fishing in the Rio Cobre in St. Catherine for over 30 years. And even in his more youthful days, pollution of the river has been recurrent.
When me a youth, me coming at this river here and cast this that bird up the whole of my head. And from them time there until this time, no. We in the 21st century, man. 2023. Right? At time enough now. We have some form of stability in our environment, brother.
He says repeated spills and the reactions downplay the significance of the Rio Cobre.
We still provide some form of employment and income for other people. You know, you have women we buy the small things from we pepper it and sell to people. Them send them people to school half height. Them throw them partner half height. The shop man benefits from it, the supermarket man benefits from it. So we still do a great thing to the government.
Meanwhile, NEPA's release is believed to be a step in the right direction.
It's the first time that NEPA has been releasing the source of the contamination, and I must commend them. And I hope that the legal action will also be expedited and not dragged out and delayed.
Ramado Lyons, TVJ News.